Okay, as we wait for my Notability and iBook to load, we're going to dive into some more problems here. All right, we left off at number 8. So, doing the same thing, we got an angle bisector. All right, now this one's a little, I like this problem. All right, it makes us think a little bit. We got left over right on this triangle right here, 20 over y. All right, then we got this part over that part. It's going to be 15. Realize though, what is this part? It's not 28. It's 28 subtracted y. All right, the whole thing's 28. We need to get rid of that y part, so we set that up. All right, so this one's a little bit more challenging to set up, but once you can do it, you're going to be in incredibly good shape. Cross multiply. We're going to get 20 times 28 minus y equals 15y. All right, distribute that. We're going to get 560 minus 20y equals 15y. Add 20y to both sides. 560 equals 35y. Divide both sides by 35. And 16 will equal y. And that's the answer. Yippee. Okay. Keep on cruising right along. All right. This one's not as bad. You got this angle bisector. So I'm going to say 7 over 14. My dog's playing with a tennis ball, and he ran into the table. He's playing under the table. Dogs being dogs. 13 over 3x plus 2. And my other dog's coming, so a ruckus might start. Don't worry, we'll fight through it. Nothing will stop me from doing math. I cannot be fazed when it comes to doing geometry problems. Alright, so we get that. And again, really once we get here, I know you guys got the skills and ability to do it, but I'll walk you through it nonetheless. And we're going to get 168 equals 21x. Divide both sides by 21. And x equals 8. Boom, boom, nailed it. Alright, and we're getting pretty stinking close to being done. We're on problem number 10 of 13. Alright, where's 10? Right there. Alright, and we got these pesky switch statements are false. Alright, so a lot going on. I like this problem though, because a lot of fractions like are already written. A over 3 equals 6 over b. Well, since all these lines are parallel, that's true. 3 over 6 equals b over 8. Well, that's true. Okay, and then this one's just extended. We're saying, well, a over 9, because 3 plus 6, is equal to 6 over b plus 8, so that means that's true. So they're all true. But what? Might be some kind of typo in here. Oh, all these are. I tapped the wrong answer. I thought I tapped D and I saw an X come up. Oh, brain fart. I said these are all true. Then I tapped the wrong answer. Oops. All right. Same problem. Which of the following statements are false? So now we're basically just going to take the stuff and solve. All right. So looking at this, it looks like this 6 over 8 is going to be my big bread and butter, because I know both left and right of those parts. If you look at A, B, and C, I don't know both parts of those. So I'm going to say, well, A over 6 on this right-hand side and 6 over 8 on this right-hand side. So A over 6 equals 6 over 8. Cross multiply, 8a equals 36 divides both sides by 8, and we get 4.5. So A is 4.5. All right. B, it's going to be the same exact thing. I'm going to say 3 over 6. We can immediately tell that's going to be 4. All right. I'm not even going to solve that one. Hopefully you can just tell that's 4. And then for C, we're going to do 6 over 7.5 equals 8 over C. So 6 over 7.5 equals 8 over C. Okay. 6C equals 60. So C equals 10. And that's what I got after I cross multiply. So they're all true again. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. 2 more problems. Which is the value of question mark? All right. So let's do it like this. Let's focus on the smaller triangle. The left-hand side of the smaller triangle is 2A. The base is B. Now if we focus on this bigger triangle, that left-hand side is 3A. All right. So this is a very abstract problem. But really, if you can peel back and just treat the letters like numbers, you're going to be in good shape. All right. Cross multiply, we're going to get 2A question mark equals 3AB. Now divide both sides by 2A. Because remember, on this left-hand side, it's 2 times A times question mark. We're multiplying everything together. So I'm going to divide it. Question mark equals, well, watch this. The A's reduced to 1. So I'm just left with 3B over 2. Boom, it's that one right there. All right, so scary problem, but if you're comfortable with using letters as numbers, you're in good shape. All right, and then last one, same thing, just a little different. We're gonna have 12 over question mark equals 15 over 4A. We gotta solve for question mark. So we're gonna cross multiply. I'm gonna get 15 times question mark equals 36 over A. Divide both sides by 15. Question mark equals 36A over 15. And then I can pull out a 3 from both of them, so it's 12A over 5. Or did I make a small mistake? Oh, brain fart. Brain fart. That should have been a 48. I'm having a couple brain farts today. I'm not on my A game. Hopefully you guys can find it in your hearts to forgive me. So that should have been 16. There we go. I was just testing you. That was a test all along. All right. That concludes it for this video.